In a stunning revelation that has sent shockwaves across the globe, reports have surfaced indicating that Turkey is clandestinely manufacturing 100 new F-35 super fighter jets. This revelation has not only raised eyebrows but has also sparked concerns and debates regarding the implications of such a move on the geopolitical landscape and military balance of power. Turkey's involvement with the F-35 program has been a subject of controversy and geopolitical tension in recent years. Initially, Turkey was a key partner in the development and production of the F-35 stealth fighter jets, with plans to acquire a significant number of these advanced aircraft for its air force. However, in 2019, Turkey's participation in the F-35 program was suspended by the United States following its purchase of the Russian-made S-400 missile defense system, a move that raised concerns about interoperability and security within NATO. Recent reports suggest that despite being removed from the F-35 program, Turkey has been secretly working on its own production line for the advanced fighter jets. According to sources, Turkish engineers and technicians have been reverse engineering components and systems of the F-35, with the goal of domestically manufacturing these aircraft without the involvement or approval of the original manufacturers or the United States. The revelation of Turkey's secret production of F-35 fighter jets has raised a multitude of concerns and questions regarding its implications for regional security, military alliances, and international relations. Geopolitical tensions. Turkey's unilateral decision to produce F-35 fighter jets without the consent of its allies or the original manufacturers has the potential to escalate existing geopolitical tensions in the region. It could strain Turkey's relations with the United States and other NATO members, leading to further divisions within the alliance. Military balance of power. The development of 100 new F-35 fighter jets by Turkey could significantly alter the military balance of power in the region. If successful, Turkey would possess a formidable air force equipped with some of the world's most advanced stealth aircraft, potentially altering the calculus of regional conflicts and power dynamics. Security concerns. There are also serious security concerns associated with Turkey's unauthorized production of F-35 fighter jets. The unauthorized replication of sensitive technologies and systems could compromise the integrity and security of the F-35 program, leading to potential vulnerabilities and risks for other operators of the aircraft. In response to these revelations, the international community, particularly the United States and its allies, is likely to closely monitor the situation and assess the appropriate course of action. Diplomatic channels may be utilized to address Turkey's actions and seek assurances regarding the security and integrity of the F-35 program. The revelation of Turkey's secret production of 100 new F-35 fighter jets has sent shockwaves across the world, raising serious concerns and questions about its implications for regional security, military alliances, and international relations. As the situation unfolds, it remains to be seen how the international community will respond and what measures will be taken to address this unprecedented development. One thing is clear: Turkey's actions have potentially far-reaching consequences that could reshape the geopolitical landscape in unforeseen ways.